Oh, hey Thor, how's it going? Right when I turned on the camera. Wow, crazy times, Ozarks Church of Nature. And today was our first non-chemtrailed, non-freak storm, too much rain, weird day. But yeah, the storm pulled the thistle out for me and kind of knocked these over, but I'm doing my best to prop them back up. Yeah, and ripped out the peas and some trees, including, I don't want to walk all the way over there, but that nectarine gone, two giant ones. But yeah, oh yeah, and Pecate is still following me around. She's still sitting on my lap or shoulder when I go to stores or wherever. I've been pulling out the peas and the spring stuff, lettuces, and so it's been really hot. So getting ready for making room for more summer stuff. I gotta get rid of those soon too. Oh, hey Thor, I love you. Anyways, yeah, a non-chemtrail day, which is, oh, okay, here. I'll just show some updates, like more dirt, more mulch, bigger, oh, Merc! Okay, yeah, the chicken, oh my gosh, but she actually doesn't destroy anything, so, yeah, I'll be right there, babies. Look what I've got for you. Yeah, like this chair went flying, the metal sheets down there went flying everywhere. It was insane. But yeah, some of the flowers and things are blooming and things are, oh, I can't reach that far, coming to life. Quite a bit, actually. Nasturtiums, gardenias, peonies, lilies. Looks like oh man, there's all sorts of delicious stuff. And she's always right behind me. I guess I'll make this my update or whatever. Yeah, alright, so I guess I better put that stuff away. But went and gathered rocks, too tired to spread that mulch. But got a little help, holy crap. And that's been nice. So we were able to knock these beds out and top off all the other beds and keep them going, get some new starters and stuff in. I guess I can, yeah, I'll probably put the tobacco here or something. Look, we got figs. Yeah, another pile, no more mulch. Everything looks like it's doing all right. Excited to hopefully get this fence up. Next, Mullen, remember the little baby from last year I dug out? And yeah, she's beautiful. And there's a bunch of babies elsewhere. Mugwort, the plums, and oh, look at all these are just bird seed. I tossed them down to see what would happen, and here they are. The kiwis and stuff came back, and look at all that mustard from where I just laid the seeds there. It's all along that line, but this is a big ass patch. This is a beautiful yarrow. Thor wants to talk. What up? Okay, and another kind of yarrow. Yeah. So everything's doing all right. I'm missing a couple family members. Maybe you know the chickens. She's on, follows me everywhere because when her sisters disappeared, all right, found out again, and the chicken flew up to my shoulder from the ground, and it's hard to hold this cell phone this way, but yeah, what up, Thor? All right, anyways, so yeah, these got more soil and mulch and all ready to go. I know the goats are gonna be super excited to see me, huh? And their new favorite place is on the roof there, like on the chicken wire that's held together with zip ties. Yeah, all of this sheet metal, everything went freaking flying, like even into there. And yeah, I think So Bear is one of the members. Hello, girls of my family. We're missing since the night of that storm. It was like 78-mile-an-hour winds and shit was jacked up, dude. It was crazy. Hey, girls. Yeah, feeding time. Should we show everyone what it's like to eat? Well, no, I won't. There's no way I'll be able to hold the camera. And and feed you. But yeah, so right there, held with zip ties, they just literally walk right up that damn chicken wire. It's insane. So I am going to look. Let's see. All right, let me. Oh, come on. Come on, don't I get to sit down? I've been working all day. 3 days in a row. Hard back-breaking labor. Yeah? Okay, let's come over here. All right, I'm gonna win. Okay, wait. Oh! Yeah, so they always want to be on my shoulder too. So they get mad that the chicken's on my shoulder. And this is fucking hilarious. Dude, if somebody followed me around with a camera, we would have so many viral videos. It's not even funny. But yeah, I do not know how to hold the camera and feed them at the same time. And clearly, that's what they want. Yeah, so they're both on my lap right now. The chickie on my shoulder. And they're gonna... Yeah. Okay, well that's the update. Holy crap. All right, bye. What up, Pecate? Goat feeding time. Ow, and they haven't tried to push her off my shoulder yet, just each other off my lap. Trying to eat. So not only can I not go to the bathroom alone, I can't even eat without her on my shoulder. Alright, now I came downstairs to make my coffee. And he followed all the way down with the chicken, of course. Dude, just fucking walking up and down like... Dude, you guys are amazing. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. I guess we got a little more video than I planned on today. You're silly. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, no, she's not stuck. Wow, she's just super careful. Wow, she's fucking like walking through the air, dude. Gemini, are you seriously okay? Like, is this normal? Oh my god, Gemini. Wow, you are the star of the show right now. Wow, you're so amazing. That's cool as fuck.